Hi everyone, I'm on the design team for Memory Makers, and this time I've been using a lovely collection called Dtained Glass Florals. It's an absolutely massive kit and you get all sorts of elements with it. Bookmarks, decorative papers, envelopes, gift bags, inserts, tags, perfect pictures, toppers. There's so many things in the collection. This is just part of the topper set I printed off, and I used the topper set to make this card. I thought it was really nice background, and I've just added a fairy silhouette and some gems and some sparkly flowers, and then on the inside it just says dream with endless curiosity. And for my second project I used a set of 4 journal cards, and 2 of the images I actually made journal cards, so that's the front of them. I just mounted them on some glitter cards, and then on the back there's some journal paper so you can actually journal with them, and if you have a journal you can just slip them into some pockets. And then with the other 2 toppers I made a couple of cards. So this one says embrace each day with a smile. Such pretty images, and I've just mounted it onto some of my card I had in my own collection, and I've just added believe in the magic within in that one. And then for the other card I've done this one which says collect moments not things, and again I've used some of my own papers, but there are matching papers for some of the images in the collection, and you will not be disappointed if you purchase this kit. It's absolutely amazing and there's so many things you can do with it. So I will link how to buy it below in the description box, and thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.